Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog and this is the Field Trucks for Silent Series 1754. Here we go. Me and Monster Jam Top Dog, I'm in Max D, Michigan North Monster, Monster One Junkyard Dog, Mega X, Cover Crasher, Virginia Giants, El Toro Loco, Stone Crusher, and Tomas Firestorm, LeChaco Drive, and Zombie, Zombie Fire, Zombie Hunter, Gunslinger Avenger, El Toro Loco, and Bunny Shots Fast. Jackson Davis, you're in Max D, Blackout Dalmatian, Medusa, Iron Warrior, Higher Education, Donkey Kong, and Jurassic Attack. And Kane James TV, you're in Raising Kane, Racing Stripes, King Crunch, Iron Man, Glaze Machine, and Pirate's Curse. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.